So, what exactly is Groove Funnels used for?
Have you ever imagined what it would be like to create an online business that would help people and make you a small fortune? You know, waking up every day working on something you're passionate about. Getting paid handsomely for value you create. Traveling the world meeting interesting people and living exceptionally well. If you stick with me for 30 seconds, I'm going to tell you the surprising mission behind Groove. Our mission is to eliminate the two things we see holding back someone from becoming successful. Those two things are funds and lack of education. That's why if you join Groove, you'll get to use a complete version of our incredible all-in-one software for free to run your entire business online. It really does the work of 12 other big-name tools you've heard of. Not only that, but we have a community of hundreds of thousands of entrepreneurs. Many of them absolutely crushing it, and we're documenting all of our collective knowledge online free for you to tap into.